Top 10 Benefits of Matcha Tea. In this video, I will be disclose to you the top 10 benefits of matcha tea your body, so if you are excited to see what's coming up, press the like button, and subscribe to this channel to get daily videos for your health. The sublime superfood properties and delicious and delicate flavor of matcha tea make it one of the best additions to your daily routine. Take a look at all the health, skin, and hair benefits of consuming matcha tea regularly and fall in love with this grassy brew. Protective against cancer. Protection against cancer might be one of the significant matcha green tea benefits. It has a type of catechin that has potent anti-cancer properties called epigallocatechin 3 gallate. The EGCG in matcha has helped kill off prostate cancer cells as per one test tube study. Reducing oxidative stress. The effect of oxygen-free radicals is overwhelming on the human body as it can damage your body cells. Moreover, oxidative stress can cause a wide range of diseases like heart failure, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, cancer. Protects the heart health. For heart health, matcha tea powder is much more effective than simple green tea. Therefore, you can significantly reduce the risk of having a stroke or heart attack by introducing matcha tea into your regular diet. May aid weight loss. Weight loss can be another benefit of matcha tea. Increases the hormone CCK, cholecystokinin, with the help of EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, present in it. Therefore, you can avoid the sneaky consumption of calories by drinking a sip of matcha in between the meals. Reduce premature skin aging. Aging skin is a living nightmare for every woman, and we are always searching for natural remedies to deal with it before too late. Improving skin elasticity and protection against UV damage are significant benefits of matcha green tea for the skin. May help lower blood glucose levels. Diabetes has many painful complications and can be a dangerous disease if you don't take the necessary steps. The benefits of drinking matcha might include regulating blood glucose levels with the help of the high amounts of antioxidants called polyphenols. Treat dark circles. Dark circles have become a common issue among both men and women, and among many reasons, slower blood circulation is the prominent one. Consuming matcha tea helps improve circulation and help constrict blood vessels as it contains caffeine. Improve hair growth. Matcha tea offers exceptional benefits for hair as it has high amounts of antioxidants. It helps faster hair growth by stimulating dermal papilla cells and hair follicle growth with the help of the antioxidant. Boost the immune system. Matcha tea helps fight bacterial and viral infections by effectively strengthening your immune system as it has a particular catechin antioxidant called EGCG.